Yun lang.
Hindi ko talaga marirecommend to. Hi guys, this is Jose.
And I'm Torky. And we're here to talk about the all-new LS2 Dragon.
Very nice.
Solid.
Tignan nyo naman to. On looks alone, matapang, modern, sporty, napaka-clean.
At hindi basta-basta ang build to. 6K carbon structure, boy. Mas magaan, mas matibay, mas pang long ride.
At ang ventilation, multi-air intake and exhaust. Fresco levels talaga. Kahit summer ride, may airflow.
Scratch-resistant visor with wide visibility. Quick release pa. May kasama pa siyang dark visor na may sungay, boy.
Removable, washable, hypoallergenic, and antibacterial liners made from LS2's X-Static Silver fabric. Alam mo, kahit di ka makinis, kikinis ka dito sa liner na to eh. Ganun katindi.
Maganda dito, sobrang sporty, maliit ang shell, pero dual visor.
Matindi dyan kung sawa ka na sa matte carbon. Gusto mong maiba. Gusto mong mas pogi ka pa sa pogi.
Ang pogi niya, no?
Also available, forged carbon.
Matindi. Gusto ko yan.
Pero real talk,
Yun lang. Ako hindi ko marirecommend to. Sa mga ayaw ng safety.
yun, akala ko ano na eh. Kasi safe na safe ka rito eh.
Solid fit, solid feel, solid look.
It's called the Dragon for a reason. Ayan, no? May sungay pa. Susuwagin na
Sungay.
tayo eh. Oh.
May pasungay si LS2.
Iyo. So subscribe to Motorworld Philippines Official sa YouTube so you don't miss out on episodes of Motorworld 360.
Siyempre, follow me on Facebook, TikTok, actually lahat ng platform, Torky.
And don't forget, ride safe with LS2. Stay
Always ahead.